Welcome back to Frequency Online Maths. In today's class, we are going to talk about what? Logic. So what is this logic all about? So let's read from the board. Logic is a scientific method of reasoning. It was discovered by a Greek philosopher, Aristotle. It can also be defined as the process of using logical principles and rules to arrive at a conclusion or solution towards a problem. Now, let me just cite an example. Somebody comes to you and tells you that 2 plus 2 is equals to what? 5. Two plus 2 is equals to what? 5. And you know that 2 plus 2 is not equals to 5, right? But if that person tries to use some logical symbols and structures, analysis, and prove to you that actually 2 plus 2 is equals to 5, do you see that we start considering that person that maybe 2 plus 2 is no longer 4, because normally 2 plus 2 is what? 4. What made us believe that 2 plus 2 is what? 4 is through logical what? Reasoning, through some structural patterns. Another person have designed it such that he has shown us he has shown us hypothesis and the end result. He have brought the hypothesis. Hey, 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. We don't know whether it's 4. He's now trying to tell us what made 2 plus 2 to be what? 4. All these things are what? Logic. He have reasoned and shown us a pattern. And to the perfect conclusion, he has shown us that 2 plus 2 is what? 4, which is what? True. So he is now trying to tell us that his statements can be what? True or what? False, but cannot be what? Both. Now, this person that is trying to tell us that 2 plus 2 is equals to what? 5. If he cannot prove it, that means it's what? False. You see that logic is what? Reasoning. If this person can be able to convince us that 2 plus 2 is 5, that means we start. All these things are hypotheses, experiments, logical reasoning. What made this 2 plus 2? Or somebody can decide to know and come and tell us that 0 divided by 2 is what? 0. He will give us patterns. He will think, structure many things before put this hypothesis, do experiments before going to what? A review. If we now accept the review, it's now a what? Conclusion. That means it is now generally acceptable that 0 divided by 2 is what? 0. Somebody will just tell you 0 divided by 2 is what? 0. A what? Scientific method of what? Reasoning. The person will need to what? Needs to what? Reason before bringing a what? A conclusion. Or maybe someone will tell you that the sky is what? Blue.